Hello everyone, my name is Samir and you are watching Motovlogs. So friends, today we are going to unbox our brand new camera, the Sony A7 Mark IV. I've been waiting for this camera for almost 4 months now and right now it is delivered. This time I'm going with a different kind of unboxing experience. So we are doing it outdoors and behind me is the Chokhamba Peak. So let's get started. So that's the box. We have the Sony branding on it and it comes with a 64 GB memory card inside. So let's just unbox it and see what are the contents. So here we have a 64 GB memory card and let's just open the box. This is a power cord for the adapter. Here is your warranty card and some instruction manuals. That's some advertising pamphlet. Let's just keep it aside for a while and see what's all inside the box. So the first thing is the leather strap for your camera. Let's just keep it aside. Then we have a pack. I think these are the cables which comes with the camera. Yeah, so it's a USB type A to type C converter cable. And then we have so this is your adapter for charging your camera. So you can directly charge your camera when the battery is inside the camera. Then we have the battery. So it comes with the NPFZ 100 battery and it has a very good backup. So it gives you around 2 hours of continuous shooting. And then here's the real deal. So that must be the camera. So see, this is the camera and it's quite lightweight. I think it's very lightweight. Then in the camera you get the tilting screen, so you can vlog with this, and it comes with a 33 megapixel sensor. So let's just keep it aside and see what all we have inside the box. So it's empty, nothing is there. And so these are the box contents for the camera. So you can have a quick look at the camera. So let's just quickly unbox the lens also. So with the camera I purchased a Sony 24-105 f4 lens. So my main purpose was to shoot videos. So it's a very good lens for the videos. So let's just unbox it. So it comes in this leather case and it's very good quality. And we have your warranty card here and some instructions manual is there and nothing inside the box. So let's just open the case and see. My leg is hurting. Oh, yeah. So it comes with a lens hood. Let's just keep it aside. And this is the lens. You have your optical steady shot on off button, autofocus manual focus button, and there is a custom button also. You can program it as per your need. Part of the video is shot from Sony A7 Mark IV. I hope you like the quality. If yes, then give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe the channel for more such videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.